The use of cloves to invite abundance involves aligning energy and intention with the universe's natural flow. This approach focuses on energetic alignment rather than relying on mere luck or magical intervention. Cloves serve as a symbolic tool to focus intention and attract positive outcomes. The concept emphasizes the importance of intention and energetic harmony in manifesting abundance. Using cloves is about consciously directing one's energy towards creating a state of abundance. In Buddhism, all things are interconnected, forming a web of mutual influence. Thoughts, emotions, and actions generate ripples that affect both individual life and the broader world. Internal states of mind create external consequences, shaping the reality one experiences. Cultivating positive energy within influences the external world that one attracts. Negative thoughts and emotions can create negative external experiences. By understanding interconnection, individuals can consciously shape their reality through mindful action and thought. The mind operates like a magnet, attracting corresponding thoughts and outcomes. Positive and abundant thoughts attract opportunities and success. Negative emotions and thoughts create barriers, disrupting the flow of abundance. Maintaining a positive mindset facilitates the attraction of favorable circumstances. Cultivating a positive mindset is essential for aligning inner state with the energy of abundance. Gratitude is a key component of a positive mindset, fostering appreciation and contentment. Mindfulness, or present moment awareness, supports a positive inner state. A positive mindset involves focusing on constructive thoughts and emotions. Adopting a positive mindset enhances the effectiveness of rituals aimed at attracting abundance. Inner alignment with positivity amplifies the energy and impact of abundance-focused practices. The mind serves as a powerful tool for attracting wealth and prosperity. Mindfulness, through present moment awareness, shifts one's inner frequency. This shift aligns inner energy with the vibrational frequency of prosperity. Awareness of thoughts and emotions is key to controlling this inner frequency. By mastering mindfulness, one can consciously attract wealth through focused intention. Mindful breathing establishes a foundation of high-frequency energy. Daily gratitude journaling strengthens alignment with abundance. Positive affirmations contribute to a high-frequency energy state. Consistent practice of these habits cultivates a mindset of abundance. These simple practices create a positive feedback loop, reinforcing alignment with abundance. The initial ritual involves planting 3 cloves into the soil. This practice is performed specifically with a snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. The act of planting cloves in the snake plant's soil is believed to purify the surrounding air. This ritual is also intended to support the flow of positive energy within the environment. The combination of cloves and snake plant is thought to create a harmonious and beneficial atmosphere. The strategic placement of snake plants at entrances is believed to channel protective energies. Planted cloves within the snake plant are thought to attract abundance and prosperity. Positioning the snake plant at the entry point focuses its energy channeling properties. This placement is intended to welcome positive influences while guarding against negative energies. The number 3 symbolizes creation across various spiritual traditions. In many spiritual beliefs, the number 3 represents harmony and balance. Buddhism incorporates the number 3 to signify fundamental principles. Planting 3 cloves aligns with a universal pattern of energetic alignment. The act of planting 3 cloves participates in a broader energetic system. Planting 3 cloves is believed to create a protective barrier. This barrier is thought to ward off negative influences. The clove arrangement is also believed to attract positive energy into the home. The protective barrier enhances the overall positive atmosphere of the home. Placing 3 cloves in a money storage area is believed to enhance the energy surrounding finances. This ritual involves strategically positioning cloves within a safe or designated money storage location. The intention is to positively influence the energetic environment associated with financial assets. Cloves are used as a symbolic element to attract prosperity and abundance. The ritual aims to create a positive association between the clove's energy and the stored money. By performing this ritual, individuals seek to improve their financial well-being through symbolic actions. The ritual involves placing cloves while speaking specific affirmations. Each clove symbolizes a spoken affirmation related to abundance. The affirmation, "I am abundant," is declared during the ritual. Another affirmation used is, "My wealth is protected." The ritual also includes the affirmation, "Prosperity flows into my life." The combination of action and affirmation intends to manifest financial well-being. Intention transforms ritual actions into conduits for energy. Each clove acts as a magnet, attracting prosperity and protection to financial resources. The ritual serves as a focused channel for directing energy towards specific financial goals. The combined effect enhances the potential for attracting positive financial outcomes. Strengthening financial confidence can be achieved through consistent practice and awareness. Regular financial practices reduce anxiety related to money management and future planning. Aligning one's energy with abundance involves cultivating a positive mindset towards wealth and prosperity. This alignment fosters a sense of empowerment and control over one's financial destiny. Even small amounts of money can become catalysts for greater prosperity. Respect for small amounts of money fosters mindful financial habits. Mindful treatment of money encourages its effective and responsible use. Small, consistent savings, when respected, can lead to significant financial accumulation over time. Respectful financial management transforms limited resources into opportunities for increased wealth. An abundance charm is created using a small red cloth bag. The red color of the bag symbolizes energy, power, and prosperity. The charm is a tangible representation of desired abundance. The bag serves as a focal point for intention and manifestation. This ritual connects symbolic actions with desired outcomes. A charm bag contains specific items for its intended purpose. A coin or banknote is included as a symbol of wealth or prosperity. 3 cloves are added to the charm bag. The combination of these items creates a charm for attracting good fortune. The act involves adding cloves while simultaneously reciting affirmations. Each clove added is synchronized with the recitation of, "I am money." The affirmation, "I am love," is spoken as another clove is added to the arrangement. Adding a clove also corresponds with the affirmation, "I am health." The combined practice is intended to manifest wealth, love, and health. The bag is secured to maintain its symbolic integrity. The bag's constant presence serves as a reminder of abundance. The bag is carried in a purse, wallet, or pocket. The act of carrying the bag is a continuous affirmation. This constant reminder reinforces the attraction of abundance. The charm serves as a portable magnet, attracting abundance to the individual. This charm acts as a constant reminder that prosperity is not location-dependent, but travels with the individual. By carrying the charm, the individual internalizes a mindset of abundance, influencing their perception and actions. The charm symbolizes the individual's inherent capacity to attract and create abundance in all aspects of life. The 4th ritual employs water as a central element. Water symbolizes life, flow, and renewal within the ritual context. The ritualistic use of water signifies purification and transformation. Water's fluidity represents adaptability and the continuous cycle of existence. Clean water is prepared in a clear glass. 3 cloves are added to the clear water. The cloves slowly infuse into the water. The clove water is now ready for use. Clove water preparation involves infusing cloves in water. The process is simple. Water plus cloves equals clove water. The ritual involves placing cloves while verbally affirming specific intentions. Each clove placement is accompanied by a spoken affirmation, "I am money." The affirmation, "I am love," is recited in conjunction with another clove placement. The final affirmation, "I am health," completes the clove placement sequence. The combination of physical action and verbal affirmation is central to the ritual's purpose. Clove water is strategically placed at entrances of homes or offices. This placement creates a protective barrier at key energy entry points. The clove water also serves as an energizing element for the space. Entrances are considered crucial points for energy flow within a building. The strategic placement aims to positively influence the overall atmosphere. Clove water acts as both a shield and a source of positive energy. The ritual aims to harmonize key life areas: health, wealth, and love. This process creates a balanced and prosperous environment. Health represents physical and mental well-being, essential for overall vitality. Wealth signifies financial stability and abundance, enabling security and opportunity. Love embodies relationships, connections, and emotional fulfillment. The interconnectedness of health, wealth, and love fosters a thriving existence. Water's absorptive properties allow it to be influenced by intentions. Water can act as a medium for spreading positive energy throughout a space. The presence of water with positive intentions can transform an atmosphere. This transformation fosters harmony, protection, and opportunity within the home. Mindfulness enhances the effectiveness of daily rituals. Intentional living amplifies the impact of routine practices. Combining mindfulness and intentionality maximizes the power of rituals. Rituals are most effective when performed with focused awareness and purpose. Mindful breathing exercises can help maintain a high-frequency energy state. Walking meditation is a practice that supports sustained high-frequency energy. Daily gratitude journaling assists in aligning the individual with abundance. Sustaining high-frequency energy aligns individuals with a state of abundance. A calm mind facilitates clarity of thought and emotional equilibrium. Clear thoughts and balanced emotions harmonize with prosperity. Mental calmness fosters a state of natural harmony. Prosperity is a natural consequence of inner peace and mental clarity. Achieving a state of mental calmness allows for a harmonious relationship with prosperity. Mindfulness forms the essential base for rituals to effectively manifest abundance. Without mindfulness, actions may lack the necessary energetic impact to attract real abundance. Mindful actions amplify the energetic power required for attracting desired outcomes. The presence of mindfulness ensures rituals are performed with intention and focused energy. Generosity, dana, is a core principle in Buddhist teachings, emphasizing the act of giving. The practice of generosity cultivates positive energy and promotes well-being. Generosity strengthens the connection between individuals and the universe. Through giving, one contributes to a cycle of positive reinforcement and interconnectedness. Gratitude shifts focus from scarcity to abundance. Gratitude enables individuals to recognize existing blessings. Acknowledging abundance fosters a positive mindset. Focusing on abundance improves overall well-being. Practicing gratitude cultivates a sense of contentment. Abundance mindset leads to increased happiness and fulfillment. Mindfulness practices enhance the principles, leading to amplified abundance. Positive intention acts as a catalyst, magnifying the effects of these principles. Rituals, when combined with core principles, magnify abundance. Simple acts, when combined with these principles, can result in profound transformations. The synergistic combination of principles, mindfulness, intention, and rituals leads to amplified abundance. The effectiveness of practices relies on intention, awareness, and consistency. Intention sets the direction and purpose for the practice. Awareness involves being present and attentive during the practice. Consistency reinforces the practice and builds lasting effects. Rituals serve as tangible representations of alignment with prosperity. These practices reinforce a mindset conducive to attracting wealth, health, and happiness. This alignment facilitates the natural manifestation of positive outcomes. The consistent practice of rituals cultivates a prosperous state of being. Integrating protective practices into daily routines fosters a secure environment. A protected environment promotes prosperity through reduced risks and enhanced opportunities. Spiritual richness is cultivated within a protected environment through mindful practices and inner peace. Consistent application of these practices leads to a holistic state of protection, prosperity, and spiritual richness. Individuals can align themselves with abundance in various aspects of life. This alignment encompasses material, mental, emotional, and spiritual dimensions. The process of aligning with abundance occurs incrementally, step by step. This alignment is a continuous, moment-by-moment practice. Achieving abundance requires consistent effort and mindful awareness. Consistent, small actions performed daily contribute to building a foundation for long-term wealth. Patience and dedication are essential virtues in the process of wealth accumulation. Clarity and joy are potential outcomes of building a solid financial foundation. Wealth, clarity, and joy are interconnected and mutually reinforcing elements of a fulfilling life. The compounding effect of consistent actions leads to exponential growth in wealth over time. Subscribing ensures continuous access to insights, practices, and mindful teachings. Subscription provides ongoing support for the creation and distribution of valuable educational content. Joining the community enhances personal growth through shared knowledge and collective mindfulness. Continued engagement fosters a deeper understanding and application of mindful principles in daily life. Abundance is not an external goal but an internal reality. Abundance manifests through intentional actions, mindful thoughts, and steps toward harmony. Every intentional action contributes to the realization of abundance. Mindful thoughts are essential for cultivating abundance. Small steps toward harmony and prosperity collectively create abundance. High-quality cloves are selected based on their intact form and potent fragrance. The integrity of the clove's structure indicates its quality and aromatic potential. Gentle cleansing prepares the cloves for use in rituals. The cleansing process removes impurities without diminishing the clove's natural essence. Prepared cloves are essential components in various ritual practices. Proper watering techniques are essential for the health and vitality of a snake plant. Snake plants thrive with indirect sunlight exposure, avoiding direct sunlight to prevent leaf damage. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common issue affecting snake plant health. Well-draining soil is crucial for preventing water accumulation and promoting healthy root growth. Regularly check soil moisture levels before watering to avoid oversaturation. Healthy snake plants support positive energy flow and enhance indoor air quality. Preparing a safe or money storage area involves decluttering to create a clean space. Cleaning the storage area ensures a positive and receptive environment. A clean and organized storage space is believed to foster financial abundance. Proper preparation of the storage area sets the stage for financial well-being. The creation of the red cloth bag emphasizes the use of natural materials. Sewing the bag requires intention and care, reflecting a mindful crafting process. The bag's design incorporates traditional sewing techniques for durability and aesthetic appeal. Each stitch represents a commitment to quality and the value of handmade goods. The red color symbolizes good fortune and cultural significance in the bag's creation. The completed red cloth bag embodies both functionality and artistic expression. Selecting water involves identifying sources with minimal contamination. Filtering water removes particulate matter and some microorganisms. Sunlight exposure can disinfect water by inactivating certain pathogens. Purification methods enhance water safety for consumption. Effective affirmation techniques involve clear and articulate verbalization of desired outcomes. Visualization plays a crucial role in affirmation, creating a mental image of the desired future. Experiencing the emotions associated with abundance enhances the power of affirmations. Combining clear speech, vivid visualization, and emotional engagement maximizes affirmation effectiveness. Consistent application of affirmation techniques can lead to significant positive changes. Mindful breathing is a practice that helps center oneself in the present moment. The exercise involves focusing attention on the sensation of each breath. Inhaling deeply can increase oxygen intake and promote relaxation. Exhaling slowly helps release tension and calm the nervous system. Consistent mindful breathing practice can improve focus and reduce stress. Gratitude journaling involves regularly listing specific things one is thankful for. Consistent journaling encourages a focus on positive aspects of life. Listing specific items enhances the feeling of gratitude. Gratitude journaling can be a daily practice to improve well-being. The act of writing down gratitudes reinforces positive emotions. Regular gratitude journaling contributes to a more optimistic outlook. Walking meditation involves focusing on the sensation of each step. The practice encourages a mindful connection with the earth's energy. Each step becomes an anchor to the present moment. Promoting calmness. Regular practice can enhance body awareness and reduce mental distractions. Ethical living encompasses practices such as honesty, integrity, and compassion. Practicing honesty involves truthfulness in communication and actions. Integrity requires adherence to moral principles and ethical standards. Compassion involves understanding and alleviating the suffering of others. These ethical practices attract abundance in a sustainable and positive manner.